Well, I think the biggest thing is with any type of equipment company is the relationships you build. And when you have the individuals that Hammer does across the country coming and visiting with coaches, talking about their needs, the most important thing is, does that company have the ability to assess those needs and build a product that's going to help? And Hammer Strength has done that now, especially with their new HD Elite line, which has really expanded their models of racks and benches that can affordable to high school, college, and professional levels. So the biggest thing is looking at a rack, what's the needs. Big thing also is what kind of workouts are you going to do? If you're going to be a free weight dominated approach and you're going to have a certain size weight room, you want a rack that can do multiple different things. Not necessarily say, so a machine maybe can do one or two things, but a rack you can do maybe 30 things. So you got to be really efficient, and that's where quality people coming in and talking about their equipment and dealing with coaches and what their needs are can be assessed.
You know, I've been involved with Hammer Strength for probably 15 plus years, ever since I've gotten into the field, and it has evolved, really has evolved every year. And I think by doing clinics like the one we're at today, where you get a group of coaches together, you get a group of football coaches, strength and conditioning coaches that all come together and talk and communicate, and that's where I see it evolving. So it's a constant evolution of giving back, looking at what they have to offer, and getting better.
The first concept I noticed was that people tend to move in non-linear directions. So I started building exercise machines based on motion patterns instead of working a single muscle in a straight line. And it just evolved from there.